Anjali, I'm knowing the answer to this one already.
Wait, Raj, I am knowing? Stop right there.
What? That sounds normal to me.
It sounds normal to almost everyone in India, but it's actually wrong. And that one small mistake is exactly why thousands of English learners get marked down in interviews and exams without even realizing why.
Wait, seriously? I say I am knowing, I am understanding, I am liking all the time.
And that's exactly what today's lesson fixes. Stay till the end because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly which verbs you can and can't use this way. And trust me, most people never get taught this properly. Welcome back, everyone. Lesson 27 Present Continuous Tense Made Easy. And Raj just walked straight into the exact mistake we're covering today.
Okay, in my defense, I am knowing sounds so natural, I never questioned it once in my life.
Totally understandable. And honestly, it's one of the most common mistakes we see. Let's fix it properly from the beginning.
Okay, let's start basic. What actually is present continuous?
Present continuous is used for actions happening right now, at this exact moment. The structure is simple am, is, or are plus the verb with ing.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, I am talking to you right now. She is cooking dinner. They are watching a movie.
Okay, that part actually makes sense. So, why was I am knowing wrong then? It followed the same structure.
Great question. And this is the key point of today's lesson. Some verbs in English are called state verbs. These describe feelings, thoughts, or states, not actions. And state verbs are never used with ing.
Wait, so know is a state verb?
Exactly. You can't know something actively, moment by moment. It's a mental state, not an action. So we just say, I know the answer, not I am knowing.
Oh wow, okay, that actually makes so much sense once you explain it that way.
Right. And there are several common state verbs like this know, like, love, want, understand, believe, need. None of these take ing.
Wait, so I've been saying I am wanting this wrong too?
Yes, it should just be I want this. Simple, pleasant, no dash ing at all.
Okay, quick question for everyone watching. Pause the video right now and think of one sentence you've probably been saying wrong with ing using one of these state verbs.
And comment it below once you catch it. We want to see how many of these habits you all have too.
Okay, now that we know what not to do, let's go back to what present continuous is actually good for. You said actions happening right now. Is that the only use?
No, there are actually a few more. Second use temporary situations, things that are true right now but not permanently. Like, I am living with my parents this month, meaning it's not a permanent arrangement.
Oh, so it's different from saying I live with my parents, which sounds more permanent.
Exactly right. That's a really important difference. Third use future arrangements, plans that are already fixed. Like, I am meeting my manager tomorrow at 5.
Wait, we actually covered this exact use in our future tense lesson too.
Good memory. Present continuous does double duty. It's used both for right now actions and for confirmed future plans. Context tells you which one it means.
Okay, and is there a fourth use? You said a few more.
Yes, and this one's actually fun. We use present continuous with always to describe annoying repeated habits, like he is always losing his keys.
Oh, that's basically me every single morning, honestly.
Perfect example then. Try making one yourself about someone you know.
Okay, my roommate is always leaving dishes in the sink.
Perfect. You can really feel the mild frustration in that sentence, which is exactly the tone this form carries.
Okay, let's test everything now. Quick round. I'll give you a sentence. You tell me if it's correct or needs fixing.
Okay, ready.
I am understanding your point.
Wrong. Understand is a state verb. It should just be I understand your point.
Correct. Next. She is cooking dinner right now.
That's correct. Real time action. Perfect use of present continuous.
He's always forgetting his umbrella.
Correct. Annoying repeated habit. Perfectly used.
Last one. I am liking this song.
Okay, let's summarize everything for the audience. Present continuous is am, is are plus ing. Use it for actions happening right now, temporary situations, confirmed future plans, and annoying repeated habits with always. And remember, state verbs like know, like, want, and understand never take ing.
Anjali, 3 out of 4. Not bad for someone who said, I am knowing 15 minutes ago.
Very true. Real progress right there.
Okay, let's summarize everything for the audience. Present continuous is am, is, are plus ing. Use it for actions happening right now, temporary situations, confirmed future plans, and annoying repeated habits with always. And remember, state verbs like know, like, want, and understand never take ing.
Perfect summary, Raj. Let's end with one final challenge. Redo your opening sentence from the start of this video correctly this time.
Okay, I know the answer to this one already.
Perfect, Raj. Completely correct.
That honestly feels really satisfying, especially compared to how I started this video.
So, friends, here's your task. Comment one sentence you now realize you've been saying wrong using a state verb with ing. We want to see it.
We'll pick a few comments and correct them personally. So don't be shy about your mistakes. We all have them.
If this lesson helped you catch a mistake you didn't even know you were making, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who probably says, I am knowing too.
Okay, that's basically calling out half the country.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. And don't worry, I promise I understand this now. Not I am understanding, just I understand.
Perfect, Raj. Bye, everyone.